Hey everyone, so I'm just doing a quick unboxing of the Skullcandy collab with Budweiser for the Sesh Evo. So these are the new collab with Skullcandy, of course. So I usually use the, I've had previously the Sesh, so I've never had the Evo. So I'm excited to try these out, see how different they are. I guess some of the main differences in the features are that I read about basically are, the single bud, wireless connectivity. You don't need to only use the left side if you want to use just one head earbud, which was one of the major issues that one of the major complaints I guess I had with the previous Sesh. So yeah, let's open these up and see. Usually the regular Sesh had a little flip open one. This one does not have that, so I actually had to cut down at the bottom to open this up here. Now, to open this, we just pull this out. It comes out like this. The box itself is just, plain white box. It's got a little user manual, controls, left, right earbud, how to use it, how to charge it. Honestly, I like the design in these, the color design anyways. This is what they look like here, so let's get this out. So the part that goes on the ear right there, this looks pretty shiny actually, so looks like they have a little metallic-y gloss to it. Just on this part though, this part is actually clear. Reminds me of the Pokemon Fire Red cartridge actually. And then of course we've got the little part right here. Now this does still have a push button, so you can feel it when you go to push it. Some people like that, some people want it just haptic. So something to consider. Here's the other one right here. Actually, let's take this out. So two individual right there. Again, both have that shiny gloss to it on the inside. The see-through red on the outside there. It looks like it came with a charger, some extra earbuds, a user guide, so pretty standard, and then of course the Skullcandy warranty information, which actually I ended up having to use my warranty on my pair of Sesh to get this replacement, so thank you Skullcandy. Okay, and then just the actual box right here. So it looks like it's got, Budweiser logo on the top, which is kind of funny, if you show anybody and don't really have any context to this. It almost looks kind of like a giveaway or a promo item, but yeah, I think it's cool. The top is also clear as well, clear red. Opens up right here, it's got that little logo. It's got the ultra fast charging, 4 different full charges on these. We can put them in and see. So right there. And there's this one right here. So I guess they also have tile integration, which is cool. If you end up setting these down, don't know where they are, you can download the app and call them out. I haven't used that yet, so actually I haven't used the earbuds at all. So this is just the unboxing, and hopefully, get a good response out of these. So yeah, so you guys get a nice look here. Skullcandy X Budweiser. I wonder if they'll have a Bud Light collab or some other thing next. Again, kind of funny, but if you like it, then there you go.